Hi guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today I'm going to pick all these Tabasco peppers and then we're going to make some Tabasco sauce. So it's so bright out here. I think y'all can see it, but I'm not sure. But this is our big old Tabasco plant. So all we're going to do is just pop off the peppers. I'm wearing gloves because I don't want the juice all over me, but you don't need the stems, so you can just throw that down. But you just want the peppers. And these take forever to turn from yellow to orange. But this is like the last thing from the summer garden we got left. We're starting to get fall garden stuff started. And I'm going to leave this plant in here because I was reading that pepper plants are actually perennials, and if you can get them to overwinter, then it'll come back in the spring. So you can get another round of Tabascos. Let me get all these picked and then I'll bring you back when I'm in the kitchen ready to start cooking them down. So we got all our peppers picked and washed. So now we got to weigh out 5 ounces. And by the way, these get they get in your throat and in your nose and everything when you're washing them. They're super spicy. So I zeroed it out with the bowl on there. And then I turned it off. Okay. So 5 ounces, probably this whole thing. So it's almost 7. It's 6.8 ounces. So I'm just going to add a little bit more vinegar. So all you got to do is get your pot. Throw your peppers in, and a cup of vinegar. Oh, it's rice vinegar. That's what you use. You can use regular vinegar too, but this is what the recipe called for, and Mike said it'll probably give it a different flavor. So, and we're just gonna do a little bit more than a cup since I have almost 2 ounces extra. We'll bring it over to the stove. And then we're going to let it come up to a boil and let it cook for 10 minutes. So I'll bring you back when it's boiling. So it's boiling. I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to turn ours way down because our stove's so hot. And then it's going to cook for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take it off the heat and let it cool down a little bit, and then put it in a blender, or maybe I'll just use the immersion blender. We'll see. So I let the peppers cook for 10 minutes and then they cooled off a little bit. You can see like most of the vinegar is either gone or soaked up by the peppers. But now we're going to put it in the blender. breathe that in. Okay. Now we're gonna run it through a little sieve, whatever, to get out all the skin and seeds. I'm not sure what's actually gonna come out of here because it's pretty thick. I think I'm gonna find my bigger strainer. So you're not getting a lot of sauce out of that a little over 5 ounces of peppers there. But the recipe did say you could add some more vinegar to make it thinner. I think I'm going to dehydrate the skins and the seeds and make like a Tabasco spice. Although we'll have vinegar in it too, huh? I'm going to make it and see how it tastes. But one plant took all summer just to get that little bit of sauce. So if you're wanting to make some, you better plant like 10-20 plants probably. So we'll try it out on some eggs or something later this week because I don't like hot sauce, so Mike will have to try it. So Mike just dipped his finger in there and tried it and said,
she didn't give you my full story. It is a little spicier than the Tabasco, but it's a better flavor, less vinegar flavor. It's really, really good.
Just to show you, this is how I laid it out to put in the dehydrator. And then when it's all dried out and everything, put it in a little coffee grinder, make a little Tabasco spice.